Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to show security notifications on WhatsApp for PC. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it even easier to keep your account secure. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to enable this important feature. First, open your WhatsApp application on your PC. You'll see the familiar interface with your chats on the right side. Now, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find the menu. You might need to scroll down a bit, but you should see the gear icon for settings. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see several options. We're looking for the account section, so click on that. This is where you can manage various aspects of your WhatsApp account. In the account settings, scroll down until you find the security option. This is where the magic happens. Click on it to open up the security settings for your WhatsApp account. Now, you should see a toggle switch that says, Show security notifications on this computer. This is the feature we want to enable. Simply click on the toggle to turn it on. When it's activated, the switch should turn blue or green, depending on your system's color scheme. By enabling this feature, you'll receive notifications whenever there's a security-related event on your account. This could include things like when a contact's security code changes, which might happen if they switch devices or reinstall WhatsApp. These notifications are crucial for maintaining the security of your conversations. They alert you to potential security risks and help ensure that your chats remain end-to-end encrypted. And that's it. You've successfully enabled security notifications on your WhatsApp PC app. It's a simple process, but it goes a long way in keeping your account secure. Remember, staying informed about your account security is an essential part of using any messaging app safely. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there in the digital world.